Hello, this is Team 5155D,
Error 404.
Before we begin, we'd like to state what this video's purpose is. This is our judging video for the Nebraska State Bex Competition 2016. We will now begin by announcing ourselves.
Hello, my name is Reggie. I am a 10th grader. Through the year, we've all been tasked with different responsibilities, whether it be driving, programming, or building.
Hello, my name is Daniel. I am a 10th grader. Throughout the year, we've been charged with many different tasks on our robot, whether it be building, documenting, or programming.
Hi, my name is Preston, and through the year we've been in charge with several different tasks.
One frequently asked question when people come up to us, what was the hardest part when picking our design? Picking one design. We had so many good ideas at the beginning of the year, it was impossible to pick one. So we didn't. We combined them all into the current version of our robot.
With every design for a robot, there are different strengths, and our robot's strength is certainly its infield gameplay. Our infield gameplay strength allows us to quickly go out into the field, pick up scoring objects, and shoot them before the other team has a chance to do so.
Through the year, people have asked us several different questions, one of them being if we have a chance to improve our robot, what would it be? And that would be the intake, with the efficiency and the design.
We will now begin explaining the different parts of our robot and the specifications of it.
I'll start things off with our drive. Our drive is a 1-to-1 speed gear ratio with omni wheels and is also a 6-wheel drive for maximum torque and speed.
Our intake is a beanhead style intake with rubber bands for tension and force to pick up the balls. After the scoring objects are picked up by the beanhead intake, they are then pushed through a pair of rollers in the very back that move it to the flywheel.
Once the ball has gone through our intake system, it hits what we call a flywheel, or a launching mechanism. Our launching mechanism is powered by 4 internal turbo-geared motors, connected to a compound gear ratio that is geared for speed. Once the ball has traveled through the channel and out the front, we disengage the flywheel, engaging what is known as a ratchet, as you just heard. The ratchet is made of 2 parts, the ratchet gear and the pawl. The pawl is held into the ratchet gear with a rubber band secured elsewhere on the wheel. We do this because we don't want any extra friction being shoved back into the motors when we disengage them. That will cause them to burn out quicker.
Another important part of our team this year has been the documentation as well as the building. Every time we enter the robotics lab, we are charged with documenting everything we do in our engineering notebook. This is our engineering notebook. Our engineering notebook documents everything we've done on our robot and at competitions, including our very first designs throughout the building processes and to our current design of our robot. Another important aspect of our team this year has been the community involvement, which involves
helping our younger members through their career as robotic team members,
upholding the ideals and qualities of our school,
improving the sportsmanship throughout the year.
Once again, we'd like to say this is Team 5155D,
Error 404, signing off.